It's a $500,000 to charter this sailboat here.
For a week.
A week, yeah. So anybody wants to go sailing with me and foot the bill, I'll captain it. And look at that thing. 3 masts. That would be something to sail. It's going to take me a couple minutes to walk the length of the boat.
There's your seat right up there.
No, I don't think I'm going to go up there.
That's the princess.
Just look at the size of the fenders. They're bigger than Cindy. Jeez. I'm totally impressed with my new boat here.